my channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now I'm totally obsessed with this glitter gel from Colourpop Cosmetics. So I decided, why not just make a video with swatches on both my arm as well as my eyelids for each and every glitter. Now I have all the 12 shades of this glitter gel vault. So it's gonna be a long shoot for me, but hopefully a very quick video for you guys. Now this vault is the mini collection and it retails for about 40 bucks and has about 12 mini gels. Some of the shades have fine and easy to apply glitter, but for some the glitter can get chunky. So I will be sharing the texture and the shade for each glitter gel. So stick on till the try-ons in order to know what shade would suit you best. But for now, without further ado, let's get started. I will begin with the arm swatches, but then we'll move on to the try-ons on my eyelids for each shade, starting with the lightest. Very similar. So I'm also adding in a comparison where you can see each one on a different eyelid and then compare for yourself. seams, this one just doesn't want to come out. It's almost dried out, and if you see, it's hard as a rock, which is sad because the quantity is also not enough, so I'm pretty sad for this purple. But don't worry, I have another similar kind of a shade, not a purple but a little brownish purplish, which I will be trying on the other eye. Enjoyed the video and found it useful to make your decision, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Now, I only showed you the raw shades, but you can always pair one of these glitter gels with the contrasting shade and create a whole lot of unique and new looks. Now, this is all for this video, but I will see you next Wednesday. Until then, you take care, love yourself, and keep on glittering.